And here's the Kabari Z all the way opened up. The Z portion open. The back part put out. The awning put up as well for some shade. Looks pretty good on top of the Banger Mark II.
I want to give a big thanks to Jacob for getting the Kabari 2 tent with us. Remember, go to IncaOverlandOutfitters.com where you'll get the best prices and fast shipping on trusted 4x4 gear, on rooftop tent, awnings, those kind of accessories. We always do free installs.
We just got the 23ZERO Kabari Z tent, rooftop tent installed on the Jeep Gladiator. I'm gonna drive around here, pop it open, and show you what it looks like on top of the Banger Mark II truck topper. And once we get around here and get to a flat spot, we'll set it up and show you what it looks like. It's a 22 Jeep Gladiator Mojave, 3.5 inch lift, 38 inch tires, 17 inch wheels, the Banger Mark II, and the 23ZERO Kabari Z Rooftop Tent. Wanted this tent because I haven't really seen one on a Gladiator yet. It does have a little bit of overhang on the cab, but it's not too bad. Then we'll pop it open and show you what it looks like.
So one thing to keep in mind with the Kabari tent, to open it, there's several latches. There's 2 in the front, 2 in the rear, and there's also 2 on the sides. Because of the C folding, there's additional straps that you need to undo in order to fully deploy, but it is super convenient to have the extra space. So right here, you'll see Jacob, he's gonna climb on his tailgate. And once you have everything on latch, it's really easy just to deploy the tent. And the gas struts on the front here basically lift everything up. One cool thing that's included is the crossbars on this tent. So you get 2 crossbars that mount to that Z panel, which would be perfect for like mounting a solar panel or some other accessory that you need. So the next step right here is to get the telescoping ladder, which is included. It comes in a nice PVC bag for storage. Even in the kit, they give you additional spare parts, which is pretty nice. They give you a 13 millimeter, the ratcheting, and everything you need is included with this. You do have to connect it to the second set of clips on the tent. There's an additional one that we weren't too sure what it was for, but inside you have everything from the LED lights, you have the 5-inch ducting so you can put in your diesel heater, which Jacob will show in a little bit. There is the sky view, you get 4 of the tension rods, and then when the Z panel is deployed, you really have a wide opening space that makes the tent really open. There's something on the roof that comes down that helps the tension?
Maybe, let's see.
So here on the roof, there's 2 bars that actually expand, yeah. And you have a clip that holds it to its position. You need to use that to hold the U bar that basically gives it tension. So at first we were, Jacob was working on this and we didn't realize it immediately, but there you see it kind of come down. And so these just drop down and they have a little Velcro for you to put them away. So that way in storage, they have its spot and you don't really have to carry them around or do anything with them. So once we figured that out, it made it really easy. And then Jacob pushed from the inside to expand the Z panel. They have their own separate gas struts. They provide a real big opening. And on the sides, you can also undo the sides to get even more cross ventilation.
Yeah.
Like really gives you a lot
Yeah,
of
you
room.
get a lot of headroom in here.
So you can film kind of. You can,
This is the room, that space that you get inside the tent. You can see it pops, it's got a little push out on the back end. And then the Z portion that flips out, you'll get to see it better once I step outside. And it's got these little poles here to help hold the retention on the back part of the tent. Luis is here just trying to help me set up the poles. A lot of room. You have an Anderson plug with some electrical outlets over here. Anderson plug is underneath. You've got 5-inch air vents, which is another reason why I wanted this tent, so you can run 5-inch tubes from like your air conditioner into here. Plenty of windows for 360-degree views.
and I think you didn't see that many on a Gladiator, right?
No, and I had an FSR tent before, and that tent was good, but it folded out to the side, and I wanted something that was gonna just open straight up instead of having to do extra steps. Excuse the noise. All right, I'll step down. And there's also there's an LED strip here for lighting. And here's the Kabari Z all the way opened up. The Z portion open. The back part put out. The awning put up as well for some shade. Looks pretty good on top of the Banger Mark II. This will give you the option to choose what side of the tent you want to sleep on instead of being forced to sleep on the back side like other wedge-style tents. You can now sleep in any orientation on the tent. Well, that's all I got. That's the Gladiator with the Kabari Z.